Welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Orange color, green color, purple color, sea green color, red color, blue color, pink color, yellow color. Purple color. A is for apple. A is for apple. Red color. B is for ball. B is for ball. Sea green color. C is for cat. C is for cat. Green color. D is for dog. D is for dog. Orange color. E is for egg. E is for egg. Pink color. F is for flower. F is for flower. Yellow color. G is for girl. G is for girl. Blue color. H is for hat. H is for hat. Pink color. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.